Hi, this is Dan from Mochwaker Appliance Repairs. If your washing machine is making an awful squealing noise on the spin or the rinse, like this, then it's actually very easy to fix with just a bit of CRC. And I'm going to take the pump out and show you exactly where I've done that so you can easily do that yourself. So on this drain pump for the Fisher and Paykel Smart Drive washing machines, the main shaft here passes through two bushings, here and here. And these bushings are not ball bearings, they're just bronze bushings. They are what causes, when they get a bit dry, they cause the noise. So what we need to do is get some CRC on those bushings. It's nothing major, the pump's not going to burn out, as long as the actual motor part is okay, but the noise is just dry bushings. So on this bushing here, we want to put a squirt just above it, and also just below it. Try and get that camera to focus. There and there, and the same here, we're going to put one just below that bushing there, and if we just poke the nozzle up and make sure we spray some CRC on the shaft that runs down there, it'll run down into that bushing. Now this pump sits in this top part of the pump sits into the washing machine like that, so you can actually get to those bushings with the pump still in the machine. You don't have to take it apart, you don't take it off, although it's very easy to come off. But just a simple squirt of CRC or a drop of oil on those bushings is all you need. I wouldn't recommend WD-40 because that's got more of a penetrant than an oil. CRC 5.56 is more oil than penetrant, or a sewing machine oil, light oil, something like that, just to dry it out, to lubricate it out because it's got dried out, and you'll solve the problem. So to show you what I've done from a better angle, I've unplugged the washing machine, even though we're not touching any wires, always a good safety measure. CRC can, I'm just coming in, I'm getting a squirt below that bushing, above that bushing, below the top bushing, on the shaft above. That's all we need to do, and that awful screeching noise should go away.